Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS 14-inch 16 Jam 10 Chromebook CX34. So friend, the versatile ASUS Chromebook CX34 Flip lets you enjoy the both work and play. And friend, the 16 Jam 10 and 14-inch aspect ratio display will make your viewing experience more immersive and also feature an Intel Core processor, Wi-Fi 6E and long-lasting battery. It is powered by up to a 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB of memory and featuring a super fast large capacity PCIe SSD. ASUS Chromebook CX34 Flip device. ASUS Chromebook CX34 Flip delivers the performance and responsiveness required for incredible productivity. ASUS Chromebook CX34 Flip provides seamless connectivity with two full functions, reversible USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, making it easy to charge device, stream media or connect with peripherals. An HDMI 2.1 port provides the option to connect a 4K display. There is also a micro SD card reader to enable extra storage for maximum convenience and compatibility. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.